ang anak ko, Day. Good morning. Ngayon si Inday, mabait yung batang yan. Katulad yan sa ama. Tinong bitutong yun. I would like to greet each one of you. Good morning. Magbalik mga kada, Mayor. You know, it's been a year since we, mga skula kantorong, we sang songs pagkaroling here in the city of Davao. But now, we come again because we know that you are so generous. Ang butlag mo hatag pa mo. You know, this is for the construction of our new chapel. And it's became trending earlier days. I said in the media, you build your own chapel in your own home. And we, the Regional Major Seminary, please consider our seminary as your own home so that we can build together our own chapel. Basin may lang mo palang public mo okay ha? By the way, I would like also to express my gratitude sa mga policemen and women and the military. No? Without them, protection na to hinay yun. Pero nga sila, our safety, you will really say that indeed we are protected here in Davao. Not only in Davao but in the whole Philippines. Tumana. Isa-isa din yung mga larawan ni Sir Irpa. Isa pa yung laing supporter, supporter na ako rin. Naiwan ko si Bungo doon sa Malacanang. Ano ba siya doon? Mag-basketball pa siya. By the way, let's go back to our point here, you know. The Rimasi plan to build a big chapel for everyone because we are growing in number ng mga seminarians there, no? They are growing in number yung maghuot at sa kapila, sige nagpaningtong. Kadlawang dako gipaningot ang huot dito. Namunto nga, the good Archbishop told our former rector ng Bishop Abel na maybe we need to build a big chapel, not only for us, but for those who have their retreat and recollections there, so they can be accommodated in that new chapel. Now, if you have time, at mo dito sa Katalunan, na dito sa Mr. January Duterte dito, Davita, dito sa Katalunan, bisitahin mo yung chapel dito. Tinumpita na. Bisitahin niyo dito. Kung Madam Day, I know Inday is very generous person. Ang si Atik, tinumpita to. Nag-iyak-iyak na siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Muabot kayo nag-jismil na magkalimusin kami paulis mo ah. Well, nawa na nungkos ako ang tumong nung ano. But just to light the day, no? To light up the day. No? Be joyful because it's Christmas, but not only because it's Christmas that you are here. You have to be joyful, no? And I ask you to please pray for our president, no? For the good heart and his perseverance, no? And also to the city of Davao, because the Davao city is already flourishing, no? When Davao life is here. Okay. So, sabayi ko niyo ingon nga Davao life is here. 1, 2, ready, go. Iya, ram. Kusga ninyo. Kulbaan po ko kami ko sniper na ko. Pero nasayar ko na I am really safe in Davao. Kita ko sniper ko dito. I think we are already protected. We are safe in Davao. So everyone come to Davao. You know, back to my own aim, no, objective of this Caroling, to build a new chapel. And in behalf of the Remasi community, the Regional Middle Seminary of Mindanao, we would like to express, baka may kadawat sa inyong ihatag, no? But we would like to express already our thanksgiving for all the support financially and spiritually. No? O financial lang, di may magdugay. But because of the prayers, we will last. No? Anak na guna siyang kinabuhi mo. Anak yun na. Iyang mo diha. Ang ubang kakuyapon na diha, pasilong mo na. Kaso man maghimo tagdoon pa rin, ako ni Pagwas, DPWH siguro. Kung tingnan ko ba siya, makaabot ni kang Mr. Rodrigo Roa Duterte, may bilang president, kung ato ko malalakan niya, tujog ko eh. Pero musugot ko, mag-courtesy call, upan mo pungin ako, kakura isa dito. Pasoon niya,